Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today I have a very fun video. I have some happy mail to share with you guys, and this was sent to me from my new friend, new pen pal, Kathy. And oh my god, you guys, I am so excited. She sent me St. Patty's Day mail. Do you guys know that I have not received, the whole time that I've been crafting, I've never gotten any St. Patty's Day mail. So when I saw all the green, I got tons of excited. Like, you guys have no idea. I was like pulling out each little thing and I was just like, oh my god. And it's just a beautiful pile of greenness. I love it. I appreciate that a lot of my pen pals send me like happy mail that's my style. Excuse me. They always ask me, oh, what do you like? Obviously I like the pinks, the girly stuff, the cutesy stuff, so they always send me that. But I do like also when you guys send me what you like. Create a project for me with your style. That is even more exciting to me because I get to see a different view. And that's how I feel about this package. It's just like, I feel like she sent me what is her style. And that's exciting because I don't have anything like this, but I still love it. I love everything because I see a couple of things there that I've been wanting and I'm just like, ah, so excited. But yeah, you guys, I am going to open it with you guys. I promise I have not opened anything. Excuse me. The only thing that I did open was her letter, which was super sweet. Thank you so much, Kathy. And she also sent me a picture, which I won't be showing her picture on here. I don't know if she's comfortable with that, but she sent me a picture of herself so that I can see what she looks like, which I love that idea. I will be sending, not idea. I will be sending you a picture back. And yeah, let's dig in to all the goodies that she sent me. First off, she sent me gummy bears, which is like, what? How cute is this? Gourmet gummies. It's a party mix. You get rainbow ice birthday cake, front porch lemonade. I will be snacking on these as I watch my Lifetime movie of the night tonight. Because, fun fact, I love, not only do I love ID channel, but I love Lifetime. I am a Lifetime junkie. And every Saturday night at 8 o'clock and at 10 o'clock, I watch my Lifetime movies. And if I am not here, then I will DVR them because I can, oh my god, I can just watch Lifetime all day long. So tonight, when I watch my Lifetime movie, I will be having some gummies as my little snack. And I see this little baggie right here. Look at this. Look at all the greenness. I'm going to open it up. Oh, she sent me some bracelets. Oh, look, you guys. These are pretty. Oh, thank you so much, Kathy. Look at this one with the little hearts. What? Let me see. Let's put them on. I didn't take the little thing off, the little stringy. Ooh, these are so cute. How about we keep them on? I'm going to take the little wire holding them together. Look at that. Oh, I love them. Thank you so much. Those are so pretty. That's so cute. We'll do this last. She sent me a cute little sticky notes, and if you follow my channel, you know that I absolutely love sticky notes. And this one has my initial, which I love even more now. I want to make sure that you guys are seeing everything nice and clearly. It's kind of gloomy out, so the lighting is not the greatest, but you guys, she sent me a calendar. It says flowers. It's 16 months for 2018. So pretty, so springy. Isn't that cute? So she sent me that. I'm gonna move these things over right here. And then she sent me the cutest card. Look, you guys. Isn't that cute? Did you like put this together, Kathy? Like, did you put everything together? And here's this. I don't know who she is, but she's adorable. I don't know too much about, you know, the Irish and stuff like that, but she is beautiful. I love this so much. I'm going to display this on my shelf above my desk. And then, I'm not sure what this is, but we're going to open it. Let's see. Oh, how cute. She made like an envelope flip. Sweet Erin, what is it? Gobra? Gobra. I think I did it Gobra. Oh my gosh, she made like a little envelope. Oh my god, I am so excited about this mail, you guys. I've never received anything like this. This is so exciting to me. She put like a little penny, the lucky penny. Like, there's so much thought into this. I love it so much. OMG. Are you guys seeing this cuteness? Why do I feel like you guys are blurry? Hopefully you're not blurry and you can see everything. Look, she made the little clip. Oh my god, I love this so much. Kathy, you did such a great job. A bunch of little cut parts. Look at that. Super cute. Look at that. Isn't that the cutest? I think that this is probably like the only St. Patty's Day mail that I'm gonna get, because a lot of my pen pals don't send me St. Patty's Day mail. Look at this. This is stuffed, you guys. She like stuffed it up. Whoa. Let's see. Oh, we got this little charm and it says best friends. This is super cute. She sent me some little alphas. Oh, look at this little card. Is this like, what is this? Oh my god, I can't have it in the tip of my tongue. Monopoly? Is this like a Monopoly card? That's a cute idea. Ooh, look at this. These are cute. Are these buttons? Oh my god, I am so excited with this mail. You guys, I'm like speechless. More little sticky notes. Let's see what else. Oh, look at these little embellishments. And then there's, you guys, look how cute. This is like, I was watching a video last night of somebody posting about these Polaroids, these Tim Holtz Polaroids, and I was like, oh my god, I gotta go on eBay and get me some. And look at that. Kathy sent me some. Isn't that crazy? How exciting is that? When I saw that peek through the little envelope, I was so excited. She sent me these cute little cutter parts. Oh, look, and she sent me this little necklace with the little key and lock. Oh my god, you sent me so much, Kathy. Thank you. These cute little laser cuts. Oh, how cute. Look at this little peel and stick adhesive gift trim. That's so cute. Oh, how cute. The little erasers. I love it. Look at the little boot and the little shoes. These are adorable. My daughter used to collect those. She sent me a, oh my god, look at this pen, you guys. How cute and fun is that? We're gonna open this because I need to see it. We're gonna open it. Yes, we are. You guys, look how fun this pen is. Do you guys see this? Should I, oops, should I, isn't that the most cutest pen? I've never seen this. Why are you not focusing, camera? Look at that. How cute. I love this so much. So cute. And then she sent me a pack of pencils. Oh my god, I don't have this either. Kathy, you did so good. You sent me so many things that I don't own. I love it. All new to my collection. Here's the little bag that she used and stuffed. And then, let's see. She sent me all these little pieces of paper to use. Look at that. Look at these papers. These notepads with a little colorful rainbow piano. Look at this, maps. Do you guys see all these super awesome papers that I can use on my projects? I love these. Oh my god, these are so cute. And they have like little poems in the back. This is amazing. And you guys, last but not least, I just don't know how Kathy did it. I don't. I've been seeing people post about these, getting them in the Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree never got them. The Bolero, and she sent it to me. Isn't that awesome? Like, I love when I watch videos and I see things and I'm like, oh my god, I can't find that anywhere. And then one of you guys come through and pops up in my mail. You guys are amazing, and I want you guys to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys leave me these beautiful comments and make me feel so special. And I just want to let you guys know, you guys are amazing, and you can craft the same way I craft. My purpose of my videos is to help you guys know that crafting could be for anyone. And although sometimes my projects look a little complicated, they're really not, and it's super easy and anybody can create them. And I'm sure that all your guys' projects that you've created or are going to create are going to look amazing. And follow me on Instagram, tag me if you recreate anything. I love it. I comment back. I appreciate you guys that much, and I love the fact that you guys are so supportive and so sweet and conversate with me. And I just want to say thank you to Kathy for this mail, and I hope you enjoy what I am going to send you, because I got a little idea of what your style is on your letter, well, from your letter, and I'm going to stick to that because I want you to enjoy your mail the same way I enjoyed mine. Thank you for sending me St. Patty's Day mail, because I never get this kind of mail, and it was super exciting. But yeah, you guys, that's my video for today. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video. And thank you guys so much. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.